Good morning! I am going to Taiwan in like 2 days. It's gonna be a busy couple days. My skin's like also healing because I just got a facial. I had this huge pimple right here. Hopefully this will start going away soon. Things that I always have when I'm running errands. My huge Hydro Flask bottle. I try to drink 2 of these a day at least. And then I also have my coffee to go. 2 pounds? Yeah, I'll go for that. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Happy?
This is so much.
I'm gonna pre-marinate some meats for Philip for when I'm gone because he cannot really cook. The easiest thing for me to do is just to pre-prep some meats and stuff so that he could just like throw it in the grill or in the oven. We're gonna do some Vietnamese pork chops, fish sauce, spare ribs, and I'm just gonna clean and freeze these drumsticks into smaller portions. Let's start with the pork chops. Lemongrass stalks. Just need maybe like a quarter of this. Two tablespoons of sugar, about 1 1/3 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 1/3 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 2/3 tablespoon of a neutral oil, and I'm just using some canola oil. Now I'm gonna add all the aromatics from earlier into the bowl. Lemongrass, garlic, and onion. Just gonna give it a little stir. Might be a little too much aromatics, but that's okay. 2. Okay. Now I'm just kind of tossing the pork chops in the marinade, making sure each side is getting coated really well. Just gonna let that sit. Next I'm gonna do these spare ribs, and they're just like cut into like 2-inch long pieces. Rinse these beautiful spare ribs real quick. I kind of just eyeball everything. Fish sauce, and I don't even think you really need like salt for this. Fresh ground pepper, some more fish sauce. I could use some more. The juice from half a lemon. Ooh. And now I just give everything a good toss. I just need to separate everything into these baggies. I'm gonna start with this actually. I'm not gonna marinate these. We have this like dry rub that is amazing for drumsticks. So I'm just gonna portion these out real quick. These 2 biggest ones together. Next. It's the day before I leave for Taiwan. I'm just really not looking forward to this trip because I know that it's gonna be a lot of mental, emotional, and physical work. and I have to pack today. I feel like I got a lot of the stuff that I need to get done, so I feel like I'm in a good place today. I'm gonna make some breakfast first though. I'm starving. Open. Good girl. High five. Yes, high five. Come here. Hey, what's this? Go, eat your food. Ta-da! Here you go. You don't want it? Okay, Stormy will want it. Hey, you get a treat. I think I got all of my clothes down. I set aside what I'm gonna be wearing on the plane. Got sleeping clothes, a bunch of shorts, long pants and skirt options. Going to a wedding, so that's what I'm wearing to the wedding. And I bought an extra nice dress just in case. Big t-shirts, workout clothes, basic tops, a bunch of like long sleeve, short sleeve cover-ups, underwear and bras, and then I'm gonna bring this for the wedding, which is my hand-me-down from my grandma. I feel like this is a good amount of clothes. It's 3.5 weeks. It feels like a lot of different options, but I'm kind of anticipating sweating through my clothes very quickly. Okay, that's good enough. 2 tablespoons. Garlic. Okay, push it to the side. Almost cooked through. I'm gonna stir everything together. A little bit of water. Just a little bit. Leftover veggies from yesterday, the pork and bean curd stir fry, and just a little bit of rice because I'm eating super late today. Happy 9-year dating anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
What you doing there?
Having the bagu dry.
Yum. I'm so excited for this. Wow. Look at that marble.
Hey.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Steak and asparagus. And of course rice.
Because it's Italian. It's exposure, baby.
It tastes pretty good to me.
Okay.
The sear is really good.
Stormy took my spot. Oh, thanks for moving.
Welcome.
I'm never gonna go to steakhouse again.
Steak at home is better. Cheers.
Yeah. Cheers.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Here.
Thanks. Today's not really going as planned. I was going to make lunch so that Philip had like leftovers to eat, but then as I was cooking the pork, I was gonna make like Taiwanese braised pork and eggs. The pork smelled really sour, so the pork had gone bad. We're pivoting. I'm actually still gonna braise the eggs so that he has braised eggs for lunch and dinner next week. It's been a day already. It's only 1:30 and it's been a day and I still have to fly to Taiwan. Hopefully I could just like knock out on the whole plane ride there. Maybe I'll take some melatonin with me. Ooh, I should pack some melatonin. Soy sauce, about a cup. Dark soy, about quarter cup. Just enough to cover the eggs. I like 2.5 cups. 2 things of star anise. Sugar, about 2 tablespoons. Bring that to a boil. Now it is just about boiling. I'm gonna turn down the heat to low. Cover it. Braise it for like half an hour. Since it's already cooked, leave it in there and it'll keep soaking in all of the braising liquid. Wow. Perfect. It fits perfectly. Just enough liquid to cover. This can stay good in the fridge for like a week to 2 weeks actually. And I'm trying to not get my white shirt dirty. Can I get some help, please? This is why I haven't been wearing a bra the last like few days. Can you help me put the bra back on, like over it without sliding it over? Yeah. Thank you. That feels so good. You think so? Yeah, but I think it'll be fine just like covered for the next. Yeah, fine. Fine. I just didn't want to pack it.